In the ancient heart of Igbo cosmology lies a powerful and mysterious hierarchy, a spiritual order that governs the universe and all that dwells within it. At the pinnacle of this divine order is Chi-Ukwu, the supreme being, the creator of all things. Below Chi-Ukwu are the Inda-Ichi, revered spirits of those who sacrifice their lives for just or unjust causes, and finally, the Indambo and Inda-Egede, the ancestral spirits who wield immense power that can be both protective and perilous. Chi-Ukwu, known also as Chokwu Okiki, is the all-powerful creator, the source of all life, and the force that holds the universe together. In Igbo cosmology, Chi-Ukwu is omnipotent and omnipresent, with no weaknesses, a being of pure energy and light. Follow for part 2.